There are several practical alternatives to standard toilet wax rings that reduce mess and improve long-term maintenance. Start with a wax-free rubber or foam ring, which fits like a gasket and compresses to form a durable seal without messy wax residue. Choose one size for your flange and toilet outlet, align the ring centered on the flange, and press the toilet down evenly, avoiding rocking, which can break the seal. Consider a flange spacer or extender when the flange sits below the finished floor. Install the spacer first, secure it with screws into the flange, then use a rubber seal that mates to the spacer to maintain a reliable compression seal. For situations with uneven floors or slightly warped bowls, a compression-style no-wax seal with a large flexible base can accommodate small misalignments while keeping the connection watertight. Some systems use a mechanical clamp or bolted collar that compresses an internal elastomeric gasket. Follow torque guidance and tighten nuts incrementally to maintain even pressure and prevent overcompression, which can distort the gasket. Choose products advertised with easy removal features such as a one-piece ring that peels away or a gasket with a pull tab so future replacement does not require chipping away old wax. Always replace the closet bolts and inspect the flange for cracks or corrosion before installing any seal, and use a thin bead of silicone around the base after installation only if there is no visible leakage and you want to prevent odor and surface stains. The three most common mistakes are using the wrong size or type of seal for the flange, which causes leaks because the ring cannot compress properly. So measure the flange inner diameter and the toilet outlet before buying and pick a seal specified for that size. Over-tightening the bolts is another frequent error that cracks the porcelain or collapses the new gasket, so tighten nuts in small increments alternating sides and stop once the toilet is snug and does not rock. Lastly, ignoring a damaged or low flange leads to repeated failures, so if the flange is cracked or below the finished floor, repair with a flange repair kit or install a spacer and secure it solidly before fitting the new seal. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find trusted local contractors and share community advice on projects like toilet seal upgrades. We connect contractors with work opportunities and host a discussion community where we and other members share real experiences and recommendations.